Tin Lizzie House by Shane Denman Architects in Tugun, Australia. Situated in the coastal village of Tugun towards the southern end of the Gold Coast, Tin Lizzie Residence is a product of both the client's modest brief and its setting. The client, a local residential builder, gave simple directions for the house to be a big tin shed. The challenge was then to create a form that embraced the client's aspirations, the local vernacular architecture as well as the coastal setting. The building program is influenced by the client's lifestyle to create a link between the beach and the pool area, providing the necessary facilities along the journey. This link was treated as boardwalk typology, separating public living spaces from private retreat spaces. As the project was a renovation and extension of the existing dwelling, the boardwalk is positioned as a central core winding up the building and allowing existing bedrooms to be retained. As the desire was to retain an open-plan living area, a subtle floor-level change was introduced on the ground floor, separating the zones while connecting to landscape areas beyond. The open-plan arrangement of the living spaces was to suit the client's lifestyle, but also introduce passive solar design solutions to a south-facing area. The entry void and vaulted ceiling allow an abundance of natural light to flood in from the north, diffused by polycarbonate wall treatments. A garden is introduced as negative space to the floor plan and surrounded by operable glazing, allowing the garden to cool the northeasterly trade winds before traveling through the living space and escaping through the void. Large casement windows with localized weather protection window hoods provide great light and airflow for the bedrooms. Generous glazing portions create a visual connection to the gardens and neighboring pines, providing a calming element to balance the robust material qualities. Internally, durable materials and finishes of black but hardwood timber and concrete afford minimal maintenance, qualities that met the client's aspirations to suit their lifestyle. The black but timber delineates the entry and circulation space, a subtle separation of zones and wayfinding. Reverse concrete block veneer walls were introduced for their performance qualities, acoustically and climate control, whilst also being durable. As the form of a shed is quite minimal, key qualities of this typology have been given prominence. The tin roof is exaggerated by reaching low towards the street, a contemporary take on the traditional shed. Blockwork walls cut at angles to mimic the roof form provide privacy and a backdrop for the vegetation, which inhabits all three axes, the ground, wall, and roof surfaces.